a brief walk to court via St James's Park.
So it is Monday morning and I'm walking to court. I'm at the family and Sybil's court in Newcastle today. And as I walk along, I'm about to approach an iconic ground, which I haven't been to for a long time. But I've heard the roar many times of the magpies and the Tyne army. And here we are, very windy up here, but it's a lovely day. And see if you recognise this court, this ground rather, magnificent stadium. It really is. Look at that, amazing. I'm used to Anfield, Old Trafford, the Emirates, the Etihad Stadium. That is magnificent, isn't it? Tyne army. Can you imagine a roar coming from that stadium? Liverpool took one of Newcastle's players. 130 odd million. Can we get a return? Oh, say we, sorry, I'm really objective. I think Liverpool will get a return this season.